hear that. Got this Henry from Cash Converter, and it's old Henry. If you want to read that, you can. I got my Henry tournament when I was so young. I think I was 5, and this is my old Henry. I let you know you can't buy these in shops, but I know what would sell them. There's Cash Converters, car boots, everywhere. If you live in America, I'm sorry about my accent, but I'm English. If you see my place there. And if any Americans watching, I just want to say hello. We have the best vacuums. And this is a very old Henry. I can't show you because I need to post this. But if one of my families look at my other videos, you might see them. This is my Henry. I can't do a mess test. That's what I'm talking about because it just can't be bothered. But this Henry won. I might do tomorrow a special video by thank you and how did I start this and bye for now.